So we're here at the GLT shop again, and today we are doing more interesting stuff on the brick. If you're wondering why the camera is so still for once, it's because I got a tripod, because I'm such a pro YouTuber. In the background we have PS Performance working on the car for free, because he's the champ. And what are we doing today, Per?
Basically we're taking...
You gotta get closer, to the microphones here.
Basically we're just taking the transmission off to rebuild it. So, yeah. A lot of work to be done, and then he's got to wash his car because he fucked up.
Yeah, I'm washing the car. We're rebuilding the transmission today. So today is gonna be a two-part video. It's gonna be us doing random stuff to the car, and we're gonna do like a how to rebuild a power guide. And as you can see, it's really hot here in the shop. It's really nice. So it's nice Scandinavian weather. So Gearbox washing the car, and maybe I don't know, maybe something else. So stay tuned, but we're getting really close to getting the car dyno. They're already talking about what date we should move the car for the dyno, so it's really exciting. So I just took off the oil filter, and we had to chisel it open because we have don't have the proper tools, and it looks pretty decent. I found some red paint in it. I have no idea how it got into the engine, but that's it. The oil smells of fuel. That's also normal for a race car, I guess. And right now we got the Master Chief over here. He's taking apart the power glide. So we're doing that. He's doing that. He's pretty qualified. Doesn't want to be in video. And we got the kit. He purchased a kit for me, so we're gonna put new clutch plates, gaskets, all that shit in it. We found a little bit of... The thing is, I changed the fluid on the gearbox before we had over here. We never ran it or anything, we just had it in neutral, but we found a little bit of metal in the oil, stuff like that, so pretty good. We're gonna take it apart and see if everything works, so that's how it is. But everything's looking pretty good. We got most of the salt off the car, but it's pretty crazy. Stuff like this was brand new. Just by transporting it over here, I kind of fucked up the car, but I couldn't borrow a closed trailer. Nobody had one, so just had to do it open trailer style. And all the salt on the roads here in Denmark, it's gonna fuck it up. So, but stuff like this is gonna rust anyway. So that's how it is. So we checked the gear. We put the gearbox off today. I checked it and everything was fine. So we basically pulled it back together. We did some brake testing and tried to get the air out of the system, but it still doesn't work. Lots of other small things. Basically, they ordered parts for the drive shaft and the drive shaft loop. Those parts are gonna be home like next week, and they're gonna fabricate that and get it on and finish. We need to do modifications to the fuel systems. Those parts have also been ordered, and so gonna be a couple of weeks before the next update. But when that update is there, it's gonna be dyno prep, hopefully, more firing up the car. But we're getting closer. But today was just a lot of little things. We basically have to go through the whole car and check every bolt, every nut, and if it's down, but that's about it. But hope you enjoyed this little one, me washing the car and do other things, and hope you enjoyed Kim being part of the video. He's over there in the background. And I want to thank GLT for lunch and helping out today, and PS Performance for being so goddamn beautiful. Hello, Per. Woo! So, thank you for watching, and always to JC.